Hello kids, welcome back to challenge. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Brown color, brown color. Blue color, blue color. Black color, black color. Kids, now coloring numbers. Kids, first you draw 1 and use yellow color. O N E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T W 2. Kids, now you draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color, red color, red color. THRW 3. Kids, again use red color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. FOUR 4. Kids, now you draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use green color, green color. FIVE 5. 6. The numbers of 6 and again use green color, green color. SIX 6. Kids, now you draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use brown color, brown color. SEVE and 7. The numbers of 7. 8. The numbers of 8 and again use brown color. EIGHT 8. Kids, now you draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use blue color, blue color. NINE 9. Kids, again use blue color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. TE and 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color, black color. Kids, again use black color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, now you draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use yellow color, yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids, now you draw 17. The numbers of 17 and use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. The numbers of 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use brown color, brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids, now write 21. The numbers of 21 and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw 22. The numbers of 22. Kids, now write 23. The numbers of 23 and use black color. Black color. Kids, again use black color and draw 24. The numbers of 24. Kids, now write 25. The numbers of 25 and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 26. The numbers of 26. Kids, now write 27. The numbers of 27 and use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw 28. The numbers of 28. Kids, now write 29. The numbers of 29 and use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 30. The numbers of 30. Kids, now write 31. The numbers of 31 and use brown color. Brown color. Kids, again use brown color and draw 32. The last we draw 32. Kids, today we draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.